As I've said 100 times at least, what makes these killings most disturbing is the fact that these American citizens were never charged with a crime in a court of law. Now that's antithetical to everything that this country is supposed to stand for. The founders specifically put in the Bill of Rights, the Fifth Amendment, which states that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. That's very unambiguous language. No person. It doesn't say, maybe this person if we think he's a bad guy. Okay? It just doesn't happen like that. That's not what being an American is supposed to be about. If you're accused of a crime, you get your day in a court of law before the federal government can just snuff out your life. So I asked Nate, was there any good reason why the Obama administration didn't even attempt to take this through the courts?
The United States has a fully functioning court system that is used every day to address serious matters, including allegations of terrorism. So if the government in fact had information that Anwar al-Awlaki was engaged in actual activity that was likely to lead to the deaths of U.S. citizens or others, or that he actually had engaged in that activity, then that should furnish the government with grounds to go to court, seek an indictment, charge him, and proceed to trial. And there are lots of examples in recent years and in the further past of successful prosecutions against people accused of terrorism. And really, without more information from the government, it's impossible to know what kind of evidence they had. If they had to go to court, they would have to produce evidence to the judge or the jury, prove their case, and then a verdict would be issued. Here, the government, the president, and those working for him seem to have taken on the duty of judge, jury, and executioner all by themselves. And without more information about the evidence they had, it's impossible to assess whether it was legal.